Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pirai Academy. In the series of Zoho interview question, today we are going to see about a question called modify the array. Given an array, return the modified array in such a way that if the current and the next number are valid numbers and are equal, then double the current number value and replace the next number with 0. After the modification, rearrange the array such that all zeros are shifted to the end. Assume 0 as the invalid number and all other as a valid number. The sequence of the valid numbers is present in the same order. Fine. So for example, if this is the array 220408, then this 2 and this 2 will be replaced as 4. Okay, and this 0 will be shifted back and this 2 will be converted to 0, right? So this also shifted back and this 4 comes front and this 8 comes front. So the result will be 448000, right? Okay. Similarly for this example also. So how to solve this? Initially I will be traversing this array from the start. Okay, from this 2. Whether this 2 and its next element is same. Yes, it is same. Then we want to modify the current element as 2 into the current element value, and that next element will be replaced as 0. Okay, and then again traverse. Now I encountered 0. Whenever you are encountering 0, don't do anything, just continue. Okay, now continue again. So it will be 4. When I am encountering a non-zero value, I want to check whether the next value is same. No, it is not same. So what should I do? Don't do anything, just continue. Now it is 0. So just to continue, whether I have to go for this 8, whether this 8 has any next value, no, right? So I just want to traverse up to what? The last index before index. That's enough, right? So I don't want to go here. So stop here. Now what is my array looks like? It will be looking like 4 0 0 4 0 and 8. Yes, okay. Now what they are asking is we want to shift all zeros to the end, right? So just take an individual array, of size of this array, okay, of the given array, and make all elements as 0 initially. Fine. Now again traverse the original array that we have modified according to the first condition. Okay, now it is 4. Here also take a pointer. So here the pointer will be pointing here. Okay, here the pointer will be pointing here. Now it is non-zero, right? So replace this as that non-zero value and make this as one step ahead. Now similarly here also you will be traversing. It is what? 0. So don't do anything. Now again go here. It is 0. Don't do anything. Now again go here. It is non-zero. So replace this 0 as this non-zero value and move this pointer here. Now again traverse. It is 0. So don't do anything. Now here comes the 8. So it is non-zero. So just replace this as 8. Okay, and it is the end. So that's it. Stop here. So what is our answer? It is 4, 4, 8 and 000 at the last. Fine. Okay, what is the time and space complexity? So time complexity will be O of n because I am traversing only one time. Okay, the array. And also what is space complexity? It will be O of n because I am taking a auxiliary space, right? So this is the time and space complexity. Can we reduce this space complexity still further? Yes, we can reduce. How? We can move the zeros at last by using a 2-pointer method. Okay, I will be telling you how to use that 2-pointer method. Let me just write that array. So this is the array, original array, right? So I will be taking a 2 pointers. One pointer will be pointing here and another pointer will be pointing here. Now whether we want to check whether this pointer's element is a non-zero. Yes, it is non-zero. If it is non-zero, just swap with this pointer, with this above pointer. Okay, while swapping it will be 4. I will be telling you why we are swapping it. Just continue with me. Okay, now just to move this pointer here and move this pointer here. Now whether it is a non-zero, no. Whenever it is non-zero, just go ahead, don't do anything. Okay, just to go ahead. So this pointer will be alone moving. Whenever I am swapping, then only this pointer will be moving. Okay, the above pointer. Whenever I am not doing anything, the below pointer only traverse. The above pointer will be lying at the same point. Fine. Now this also as 0. So just move here. Now it is 4. It is non-zero. So whenever I am encountering a non-zero for this below pointer, what should I do? I should swap. So swap this as 4 and swap this as 0. Can you understand why I done a swap operation, right? Now again, move this pointer one step ahead. Whenever I am swapping, I want to move the above pointer one step ahead and make this pointer here. Now it is also 0, so don't do anything. Now go here. It is 8. Whenever I am encountering a non-zero, just replace this as 8 and this as 0. Just swapping. Okay, and make this pointer to move here, and this will be moving here. It will be end. So what is our answer? It will be 4, 4, 8, 0, 0, 0. So this is the required answer, right? So it is one of the lead code question called move zeros. Okay, I will be giving that problem statement in the description. So just go and try that also. Okay, but in this Geek for Geeks, we just to do this. Okay, this is enough for Java. I will be telling you that in the programming language sequence in Geeks for Geeks. Okay, for this, what is the time complexity? It will be O of n, and what is space complexity? It will be O of 1. So this is the time and space complexity analysis for this approach of moving the zeros at last. Fine. Now let us go to the solution path, the coding path. Now just see here, for C++, the return type is vector of int and the given type is also vector of int. During this time, we can use the second procedure, the move the zero in an efficient way. Okay, but in case of Java, they have given in array format and we want to return in array list format. In this scenario, you should obviously take a resultant array. Can you understand this? Yes. So you must construct an array list of type integer and move the every element that are modified and just return them. That's it. But don't worry, here also I written the code for moving the zero in an optimized way, and then I copied that array elements into the array list. Okay, just see this, just continue. So int n is equal to array dot length. Okay, now for I is equal to 0, I is less than n minus 1 I plus plus, which means I am traversing up to the last elements before element. Now I am checking whether the current element is not equal to 0, and also the current element is equal to the next element. Then what should I do? I just make my current element multiply by 2, and also I will make the next element to be 0. Okay, so this process will be continuous. Now at last I will be taking the j pointer as 0, the upper pointer. Okay, now for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, this will be the lower pointer in the drawing explanation. Okay, if you are confused, just go and watch that drawing explanation and continue this. Fine. Now if ARR of I is not equal to 0, then what should I do? I should swap it, right? This 3 lines will be swapping the I pointer's value and j pointer's value and make j pointer one step ahead. Okay, now can you relate the drawing explanation? Fine. Now at last they are asking us to do in array list format. We want to return them in array list format, so that I am just declaring a new array list called result and making our modified array values to be jumped into that result array list. Okay, and I am just returning the array list. If these lines are not there, okay, in real time Zoho interviews, they don't give a structured way. They just want us to write in a from scratch. Okay, in that you only get the input and you will be returning the output. Okay, or printing the output. In that scenario, you don't want to use this, so that the optimized solution will be O of n time complexity, O of 1 space complexity. Can you understand this? Okay, let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted successfully. If you really want to know about these kinds of algorithms, just go and watch my YouTube channel, where I have posted plenty of problems with different approaches. It will be useful for your problem solving skills. And also just try to watch this entire playlist to know about this Zoho interview questions in a well mannered. And if you really like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.